My name is Alina Roman-Hubers. I am a second-year PhD student in the Interdisciplinary Faculty of Toxicology. The opportunities that I've gained in Texas A&M have opened a million doors for me. The professors here saw the potential of me shifting into the PhD program and helped me through that.
My name is Deara Williams, and I graduated from the Biomedical Sciences program, College of Veterinary Medicine, in 2018. I'm currently a medical director in health communications in New York. Deciding to come to Texas A&M was by far one of the best things that could have happened to me. You immediately feel a part of something that's bigger than you, like a family. The university was very progressive in the fact that it was very inclusive. And I appreciated that from not only the university, but specifically my College of Vet Med, BIMS family. There was never a point that I felt like I was excluded or isolated for being me. And it made my matriculation through the program and my PhD that much easier.
Coming to Texas from Puerto Rico was a big shift, and I was kind of uncertain at a moment. But the CVM family is part of a larger Aggie family where you fit just being yourself.
A lot of programs offer excellence. However, finding a program that offered professional and personal growth was absolutely important to me. And I was able to get that here in the BIMS program.
Our program is very interdisciplinary, and we work with people from the School of Public Health, the College of Veterinary Medicine.
We work with individuals that are housed in genetics, physiology individuals. We collaborated extensively across the different programs.
Between first year and second year, we have the opportunity to take on the role of a toxicologist hands-on, which is an opportunity unique to our program that allows us to network, but also define what our goals are professionally. For me, at least, that was a defining moment in my degree of where I see myself after obtaining my PhD.
The research opportunities were very immense. Developing the first large animal model for red bone disease in sheep, I couldn't have gotten that anywhere else.
The Graduate Student Association is a group that will help you guide yourself through that first year. You're gonna meet your closest friends. You're gonna also learn so much about career goals or how to present yourself in your next conference.
Graduate school can be tough. So you need that base. As president of the Graduate Student Association, we had a lot of opportunity to provide our input in curriculum development. We wanted more workshops for professional development. They gave that to us. We actually, as graduate students, had a voice in our training, in our research. That's pretty extraordinary compared to other programs that I've seen.
As I complete my PhD, my goal is to become a regulatory expert in toxicology, to be able to have a hands-on impact in how chemicals affect our human health and daily life.
Never in a million years did I think I would be doing what I'm doing now, but I'm doing it, and I'm doing it successfully, and that's thanks to the BIMS program and the opportunities that were afforded to me while here.